Hello everyone, I'm Kelly from Noble. Welcome to my live show. Today I will show some sheet metal machining. There are 6 subjects to share with you. Number 1, application areas of sheet metal. Number 2, sheet metal equipment. Number 3, sheet metal material. Number 4, sheet metal process. Number 5, how to machine sheet metal. Number 6, surface treatment of sheet metal. Number 7, sheet metal quality inspection and control. Number 8, assembly and packaging of sheet metal. Let's talk about the first part, application areas of sheet metal. Sheet metal has the characteristics of lightweight, high strength, conductivity, low cost, large-scale production performance, etc. In electronic applications, communications, automotive industry, medical equipment, and other fields have been widely used, such as in computer cases, mobile phones. Sheet metal is an important part in structural equipment. With the application of sheet metal more and more widely, sheet metal design has become a very important part of the product development process. Mechanical engineers have to master the design skills of sheet metal so that the design of sheet metal not only meets the requirements of the function and the appearance of the product, but also make the stamping die manufacturing simple and low cost. Number 2, sheet metal equipment. In general, the basic equipment of sheet metal process includes shear machine, CNC punching machine, laser cutting machine, bending machine, drilling machine, and various spare equipment such as Hello, welcome to my room. Coiling machine, leveling machine, deburring machine, spot welding machine, etc. Machining equipment as below. Sheet metal cutting machine used to cut sheet metal plate can adjust the cutting size and shape according to joints need. Hole punch used to punch holes on the sheet metal plate, which can be single hole or multi holes. This is the sheet metal part. Look at these holes. These holes are made by punching process. Plate shearing machine used to cut sheet metal plate, which can be cut straight line and curve. Bending machine used to bending the sheet metal plate. The bending angle and curve shape can be adjusted as required. Look at this part. This part is made by bending process. Welding equipment, including electric welding machine, gas welding machine, used to weld sheet metal plates to issue the collection of parts firmly. Number 3, sheet metal material. There are many materials suitable for sheet metal machining, and sheet metal materials widely used in electronic and electric industry. Ordinary cold rolled plate (SPCC) refers to steel ignited through the cold rolling machine, continuous rolling into the required thickness of the steel sheet coil or sheet. As PCC surface does not have any protection, exposed to the air is very easy to be anodized, especially in a humid environment. Anodizing speed is accelerated dark red rust, and the surface should be painted electroplating or other protection when in use. The base materials of galvanized steel plate (SECC) is generally called rolled steel coil, which becomes an electro-galvanized product after degradation, picking, electroplating, and various surface treatment process in the continuous electro-galvanized production line. SECC not only has the mechanical properties of generally cold rolled steel sheet and similar machinability, but also has superior corrosion resistant and decorative appearance. It has great competitiveness and substitute in the market of electronic products and furniture. For example, SECC is commonly used in computer cases. Hot dip galvanized steel (SGCC). Hot dip galvanized steel coil refers to the semi-finished product after hot picking or cold rolling. After cleaning, annealing immersed in melting zinc tank at a temperature of about 460 degrees, and the steel sheet is plated with zinc layer, and then by conditioning and leveling and chemical treatment, SGCC material is harder than SECC. Poor ductility, thicker zinc layer, poor weldability. Stainless steel SUS 301 chromium content is lower than SUS 304. Corrosion resistance is poor, but after cold machining can obtain good tension and hardness, good elasticity, more used for sharpener springs. Stainless steel SUS 304, one of the most widely used stainless steel, because containing nickel than containing chromium, steel rich corrosion resistance, heat resistance, with very good mechanical properties, no heat treatment, hardening situation, no elasticity. Number 4, sheet metal process. In general, the four most important steps of sheet metal process are cutting, punching, folding, rolling, welding, surface treatment, etc. Sheet metal is generally some metal sheet through manual or die stamping to produce plastic deformation form the desired shape and size, can be folded through welding or a small amount of mechanical machining to form more complex parts, such as the chimney commonly used in the family iron stove and car shell are sheet metal parts. About sheet metal plate machining, specifically, for example, the use of plates to make chimneys, iron barrels, oil tanks, ventilation pipes, agile shapes, round plates, funnel shapes, etc. The main process is cutting, bending, welding, riveting, which requires certain geometric knowledge. Sheet metal is sheet metal hardware that is parts that can be machined by stamping, bending, stretching, and other means. A general definition is parts whose thickness does not change during machining, corresponding to casting parts, forging parts, machining parts, such as the iron shell outside the car is sheet metal parts, and some cabinets made of the stainless steel are sheet metal parts. Modern sheet metal processes include laser cutting, heavy machining, machining bonding, metal drawing, precision welding, roll forming, sheet metal bending, die stamping, precision welding, etc. The surface treatment of sheet metal parts is also a very important part of the sheet metal machining process because it prevents parts from rusting and beautifies the appearance of products. The role of surface treatment of sheet metal parts is mainly to remove oil, anodize, rusting, etc., which is to prepare for surface treatment, and then the main treatment is to make painting, powder coating, and electroplate for parts. During sheet metal machining, 3D graphics are edited to obtain the data required for sheet metal machining, such as expansion joints, bending lines, etc., and provide data for CNC punching, laser cutting, and CNC bending machines. Lex 5. How to machine sheet metal. Sheet metal machine according to the development of drawing and a batch of different selection of different preparation materials, including laser, CNC punching, cutting plate, mold, and other ways, and then according to the drawing to make the corresponding expansion. Hello, welcome, dear friends. This punching machine is affected by the tool for some special shaped workpieces and irregular hole machining. There will be a large bore at the edge to carry out their deburring treatment and has a certain impact on the accuracy of the workpieces. Lazy machining has no tool limit, smooth section suitable for the machining of special shaped workpieces, but it takes a long time to machine small workpieces. Placing the table next to the CNC and the lazy is conducted to placing the sheet material on the machine for machining, reducing the workload of lifting the plate. Some usable edge material is placed designated place to provide material for testing mode during bending. After the workpiece is cut, the corners, burrs, and the cutting edge should be trimmed. Grinding treatment at the two large cutting edge, the flat file should be trimmed. For the workpieces with large burrs and the grinder should be trimmed, and the small inner hole connection should be trimmed with the corresponding small file to issue. Hello, welcome dear friends. Inner hole connection should be trimmed with corresponding small file to issue the appearance of the workpieces. The position of the workpieces on the bending machine is consistent when bending to ensure consistency of the size of the same batch of products. After the material cutting is completed, it enters the next process. The different workpieces enter the corresponding process according to the machining requirements. They are bending, pressing, riveting, flanging, and tapping, spot welding, convex hull, section difference, sometimes after bending one or two times to press the nut or stud, which has mode convex hull and section difference to consider the first machining, so as to avoid interference after other process. First machining cannot complete the required machining when there is a hook on the upper cover or the lower shell. It should be machined before bending if cannot touch welding after bending. Sheet metal bending. When bending, first of all, according to the size on the draw, the thickness of the material to determine. Hello, welcome, dear friends. Determine the bending tool and the slot to avoid collision between the product and the tool caused by deformation is the key to selection of the upper die in the same product. Different models of upper die may be used. The selection of the lower die according to the thickness of the plate to determine. The second, to determine the order of bending. Bending the generally now is from inside to outside, from small to large. First inspection after ordinary, the workpieces with the edge to closed is first bent to 30 to 40 degrees, and then the workpieces is machined with the leveling die. Sheet metal riveting. When pressing riveting, consider the height of the stud to choose the same different mode, and then adjust the pressure of the press to ensure that the stud at the surface of the workpieces are flush to avoid the stud not pressed firmly or pressed out more than the workpieces surface, resulting in the workpieces scrap. Hello, welcome, dear friends. Is there anything you need to know? About sheet metal welding, welding includes organ arc welding, spot welding, carbon dioxide protection welding, manual arc welding. Spot welding must first consider the welding position of the workpieces and consider positioning tools are to ensure accurate spot welding position in mass production. In order to welding formally to convex points on the workpiece to be welded can make the convex point in uniform contact with the plate before powder welding to ensure that the heating of each point is consistent, but also to determine the welding position. After spot welding, there will be welding scars on the surface of the workpieces which should be grounded with the flat mill. Organ arc welding is mainly used to large workpieces which should be grounded with the flat mill. When they are collected together, or the corner treatment of workpieces to achieve the smooth surface of the workpieces, the heat generated by organ arc welding is easy to deform the workpieces, and it should be machined with the grinder and the flat grinder after welding, especially in the corners. Let's talk about the surface treatment of sheet metal. After workpiece is bending, riveting, and other process, and then make the surface treatment for the parts. Different plate surface treatment methods are different. Cold plating machining after general surface plating. The surface of the plating is cleaned, degreased, and then painted. Stainless steel plate such as mirror plate, foreground panel, brushing plate can be brushed before bending without painting. If painting is needed to be deburred, aluminum plates are generally dealt with anodizing, and different anodized colors are selected according to different colors of anodizing. Commonly used black, natural, gray, blue, anodizing. The aluminum plates need to be painted after chromate anodized treatment. Surface treatment doing so can clean the surface, significantly improve the adhesion of the film, can increase the corrosion resistance of the film. Cleaning process: first clean the workpieces. First hand workpieces on the line. First through the clean solution and then into clean water, followed by the painting area, and then through the drying area, and finally remove the workpieces from the line. After the surface pre-treatment and the painting process, when the workpieces is required to be painted after assembly, the threads or part of the conductive hose need to be protected. Soft rubber plugs or screws can be inserted into the threaded hose. The hole of the nut then can be seen on the outer surface of the workpieces is protected by screws to avoid the need to return the tooth at the hole of the workpieces nut after painting. Some large batch workpieces also use tooling protection. When the workpiece is not required with the painting, the area that does not need to be. Hello, welcome, dear friends. to be painted is blocked by high temperature tape and paper, and some exposed, not starred holes are protected by screws or high temperature rubber. If the worked piece is painted on both sides, use the same method to protect not starred hole. Small workpieces with lead wire or paper clips and other items chained together after painting. Some workpieces' surface requirements are high. Before painting should be carried out. Scraping treatment. Some workpieces are protected by special heat-resistant stickers at the ground. When painting, the workpiece is first hung on the assembly line, and the dusted surface is blown away with the air pipe. Enter the painting area to paint. After painting along the line into the driving area, and finally remove the painting workpieces from the line. Among them, there are two kinds of manual and automotive painting, so the tooling used is different. Let's talk about sheet metal quality inspection and control. Sheet metal machining inspection standards are the basis for quality inspection of sheet metal machining products used to assess whether the product meets the relevant technical requirements and standards. The following is the content of sheet metal machining inspection standards. Appearance inspection. Check the surface of sheet metal machined products, including surface smoothness, surface no cracks, scratches, bubbles, and other defects. At the same time, it is also necessary to check the coating quality of product, such as flatness of the coating, whether the color is consistent, dimensional inspection, measurement of the size of sheet metal machining products, including length, width, height, hole distance, aperture, etc. Dimensions can be measured using corresponding measure tools such as coordinate measuring machine, micrometers, altimeters, calipers. Material inspection and the material used sheet metal machining product is inspected to ensure that the quality of the material meets the relevant standards. Material inspection may include chemical compositions, analysis of the materials, hardness testing, tensile testing, assembly inspection. The assembly process of sheet metal machined product is inspected to ensure accuracy and stability of assembly. Assembly inspection may include inspection fit size between components, fastening force of threaded collections, function test, flexibility for sheet metal machining products. Function tests need to be carried out according to the suitable size, such as operating state of the mechanical equipment, the movement of the parts, and the use of the situation. Environment adaptability test. Sheet metal machined products may be affected by different environment conditions during use, including temperature, humidity, corrosive environmental suitability test can simulate these different environmental conditions and assess the stability, reliability of products in different environments. The above is the main content of sheet metal machining in inspection standards through the appearance of sheet metal machining, product size, material, assembly, function, and the environmental adaptability of the inspection. You can ensure that the quality and performance of the product meet the requirements. Improved reliability and stability of the product. Sheet metal machining is a common metal procession widely used in the manufacturing of various metal products such as industrial equipment, electronic products, auto parts, and so on. In order to ensure that the quality and performance of sheet metal machining meet the requirements, strict inspection is required. Let's talk about assembly and packaging of sheet metal after painting into the assembly process. Before assembly, tear off the original painting protective stickers. Make sure the parts of inner threaded hole is not painted into the paint or powder. In the whole process, wear gloves and avoid two-hand dust attached to the workpieces. Some workpieces also with an air gun to blow clean. After assembly, it enters to packaging link. The workpiece is loaded into special bag for protection after inspection. Some workpieces without special packaging is packed with bubble film. The bubble film is cut into the size of the workpieces and can be packaged before packaging so as to avoid one side of packaging and one side cutting, affecting to processing speed. Large batch can be customized. Special customers to bubble bags, plastic bags, wooden cases after packing, putting into the carton and then pasted corresponding finished product or semi-finished product label on the carton. Measure is here for now. Is anything you need to know about sheet metal machining? If not, next my colleagues will share it with you. Welcome to Fiona.
And hello everyone, this is Fiona and welcome to Nobles Live Show. Today I want to share with you a basic process in intelligent manufacturing process. Yeah, it is sheet metal. And we will talk about the three parts of sheet metal. The first is techniques of sheet metal, and the second is advantage and disadvantage of sheet metal, and the last is factors for choosing sheet metal processing. And now let's start with the first part. The sheet metal process includes a series of techniques which use to transform flat metal sheets into finished products or components. Here is an overview of some common process involved. Firstly, it is cutting. Cutting is the first step in shaping sheet metal, and it can be done through various methods, such as searing, laser cutting, or plasma cutting. Searing means use a shear to cut a straight line, and laser cutting means use a focused laser beam to cut precise shapes. And plasma cutting means using ionized gas to cut through metal. And secondly, it is bending. Bending includes deforming the metal sheet to form angles or complex shapes. It is This can be achieved using tools such as press brakes, and which apply force to bend the metal at a specific point. Bending is important for creating structural integrity and achieving the desired form. And the next is forming. The forming process is used to create the 3D shapes from flat sheets. And the techniques include deep joining and stamping and roll forming. Deep joining means pulling a sheet into a die cavity from a cup-like shape, and stamping means use a dowel to cut and form the metal. Roll forming means passing metal through a series of rollers to shape it. And the next is joining. Joining includes connecting many different pieces of sheet metal together to let the different sheet metals be made to form accessible or structures. And the joining include welding, riveting, and soldering, and adhesive bonding. Each one offers different strengths and cost consideration. Finally, it is finished treatment. Finish treatments are applied to improve the surface quality and the appearance of sheet metal. It also can improve the corrosion resistance of products. This may include polish, painting, powder coating, plating, and anodizing. It is depending on the desired outcome and application. Throughout the whole process, precision and attention to detail are important to ensure that the final product meets specification and performance requirements. And advanced technologies such as CAD and CAM have enhanced the efficiency and accuracy of sheet metal fabrication. This allows for complex design and tight tolerance to be achieved at the same. And let's start with the second part. The sheet metal process offers several advantages that make it a preferred choice in various industries. Firstly, sheet metal can be fabricated into a wide range of shapes and sizes to meet diverse design requirements. It allows for the creation of intricate and complex shapes. It is suitable for a wide range of applications. Secondly, sheet metal is famous for its excellent strength-to-weight ratio, and providing structural integrity while reducing overall weight. There are some advantages in industries such as aerospace and automotive because lightweight materials are important for performance. And the sheet metal fabrication process can be highly efficient and cost-effective, especially for mass production, such as cutting, bending, and forming. Additionally, advancements in automation and CAM have further streamlined the process, which reduce labor costs and production time. Sheet metal can be easily customized to meet specific design requirements, whether it's adjusting thickness, changing shapes, or adding features like perforation or embossing. Sheet metal allows for precise customization to meet the needs of different applications. Next is material selections. Sheet metal is available in many materials, including steel, brass, copper alloys, and so on. Each one has unique property and advantage. This versatility in material selection makes manufacturers to choose the most suitable option based on the factors such as strength, corrosion resistance, and conductivity and cost. Sheet metal products are known for their durability and are capable of withstanding harsh environmental conditions, temperature fluctuation, and machine stress. Painting and coating can further enhance corrosion resistance and extend the lifespans of sheet metal components. Many sheet metal materials are recyclable, which can reduce environmental impact. Recycling scrap metal not only conserve natural resources but also help reduce waste disposal and energy consumption and associated with primary metal production. The sheet metal process offers a combination of versatility, strength, and cost effectiveness, making it an ideal choice for a wide range in the industries and commercial applications. And of course, there are some disadvantages of sheet metal. Firstly, limited thickness. Sheet metal is typically available in thickness flat sheets. While it is an advantage for many applications, it may be not suitable for projects that require thickness or heavy components. In such case, alternative materials or fabrication methods may be more appropriate. Secondly, some types of sheet metal, such as steel, are susceptible to corrosion, and when exposed to certain environments, proper surface treatment, coating, or the use of corrosion-resistant materials can confirm this disadvantage. And thirdly, Joining sheet metal components together can be more complex compared to solid metal structures. Techniques like welding, riveting, or fastening may be required, adding additional steps and consideration to the fabrication process. And certain types of sheet metal, especially those with high tensile strength or hardness, may have limited for mobility. Complex shapes or intricate designs may be challenging to achieve without specialized equipment or techniques. Depending on the fabrication process or materials, sheet metal surface may require additional finishing steps to achieve the desired appearance. Processes like polish, paint, or powder coating may be necessary, adding time and cost to the overall production. It is important to note that while sheet metal has its disadvantages, they can often be addressed through proper design consideration, material selection, and fabrication techniques. And overall, the advantages of sheet metal, including its strength, versatility, and cost effectiveness, make it a popular choice in manufacturing applications. And now we come to the last part. Choosing the sheet metal process depends on various factors, such as the specific requirements of the project and the desired structure of the final product and the available resource. Here are some situations where opting for the sheet metal process would be beneficial. Firstly, when the desired intricate shapes that are challenging to achieve with other materials or processes, sheet metal fabrication offers the versatility to meet these requirements. Secondly, applications that require components with high strength to weight ratios benefit from sheet metal as it provides structures in integrity without adding unnecessary weight. There is many advantages in industries such as aerospace, automotive, and transportation. Sheet metal processes are well suited for mass productions, especially those that are highly automated due to their efficiency or cost effectiveness. If large quantities of components need to be produced in a short time, sheet metal fabrication is a better choice. Sheet metal fabrication allows for easy customization to adapt specific design requirements or modification, whether it's adjust thickness, adding features, or incorporating branding elements. Sheet metal can be customized to meet the unique needs for projects. The application that require the durability, long-lasting components benefit from the inside strength of sheet metal, where its outdoor equipment industrial machinery, and structural companies. Sheet metal products can withstand harsh environmental conditions and mechanical stress, and then depending on the application, different types of sheet metal materials offer specific properties such as corrosion resistance, conductivity, and magnetic properties. Choosing the appropriate materials ensure that the final product meets performance requirements and environmental considerations. Finally, sheet metal fabrication can be cost-effective, especially for mass production or when compared to alternative manufacturing for specific designs. Factors such as material cost, labor expenses, tooling requirements, and product considered construction efficiency should be considered when evaluating cost effectiveness. The design to choose the sheet metal process should be based on assessments of project requirements and including designs and the production volume and performance standards. Cooperation with experienced sheet metal manufacturers or engineers can help determine the most suitable approach to achieve the design outcomes. In summary, sheet metal is a versatile and valuable material in the manufacturing industries. Its strength, flexibility, and the cost effectiveness make it a preferred choice for producing a wide range of components used in various applications. With advancements in fabrication techniques and design capabilities, the potential for sheet metal continue to expand, paving the way for innovation in industries worldwide. And that's all we want to share with you. In summary, sheet metal is a versatile and valuable materials in manufacturing industry, and its strength, flexibility, and cost effectiveness make it a preferred choice for producing a wide range of components used in various applications. And its strength, flexibility, and cost effectiveness make it a preferred choice for producing in wide range of components used in various applications. With advancements in fabrication techniques and design capabilities, the potential for sheet metal continues to expand and paving the way for innovation in industries worldwide. Our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service and including parts machining and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative fields, such as intelligent care products, medical devices, automotive products, robots, such as intelligent care products, medical devices, automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time, and you can also leave your contact information. We will contact you after our live shows, and we would like to help you with your project. We can machine the part according to your joints, and we also can design in just according to your ideas. Making samples for you firstly after confirmation start small batch machining or large batch machining, and we have a professional R&D team and production team and quality control team to provide you with service. And our company is mainly engaged in intelligent manufacturing business. We can provide customers with project supporting service, including parts machining and manufacturing. And we have some rich experience in many innovative fields, such as intelligent care products, medical devices, and automotive products, robots, and automation equipment. If you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time, and you also can leave your contact information. We will contact you after. Hello friends, and welcome to our live show. And if you are interested in our business, you can contact us at any time, and you can also leave your contact information. We will contact you after our live show, and we would like to help you with your project. We can machine the parts according to your joints, and we also can design just according to your ideas. And making samples for you firstly, and after confirmation, start small batch machining or large batch machining. And we have a professional R&D team, production team, quality control team to provide you with service. And that's all we want to share with you, and see you next week, and bye.